Hi, my name is Corey, and I'm from Michigan. Um, why did I decide to attend Drone Command Live? Well, I decided to attend it because my goal is to obviously, I would like to operate and own my own drone company. So far, in the first half a day, I can already tell you that this program has been mind blowing. The amount of information that Darren and Diego have um, passed on to us and pressed upon us has been phenomenal. The great thing about attending this virtually is obviously we can do it from the comfort of our own home. You know, we didn't have to worry about traveling across the country. Um, especially with the way travel things go nowadays. You can have delays in flights and things like that. So it definitely made it a lot easier. Being able to just basically make sure you set the time aside for the 3 days of class was a lot easier than having to make travel arrangements and things like that. Um, what would I say to someone who was on the fence about attending Drone Command Live? Well, it's a game changer. These guys clearly know what they're talking about. They're extremely knowledgeable. Um, and if you listen to everything they have to say, if you take plenty of notes, I think that they can be a huge, huge um, difference in whatever your original plan was going to be. I know they've already given me things to think about as far as different ways to look at presenting my information about my company to other people. And yeah, I think they're huge factor in what hopefully will be a very successful company in the future. Um, and then if I describe Damien Diego to someone, my thing is these guys are just a ball of energy. Very captivating, very funny, very intelligent. They know their craft. They know it very well. And as long as you're willing to listen and have an open mind, I think that they can teach all of us a lot, not only about just the industry in general, but about ourselves, really. I mean, with the way they teach, they give you ways to think about things that you probably haven't looked at before. So it can definitely be a game changer for not just a business, but from a life perspective. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to use Drone Command Live. It's a heck of a heck of a program.